If you've ever wondered which breaker controls a specific outlet, this tool can save you a lot of time. This is the Klein Tools ET310KIT Circuit Breaker Finder Kit, and it makes identifying the correct circuit breaker quick and easy. I originally bought this to check all the outlets in my house before an electrician came over, and it arrived just in time. It worked exactly as expected, allowing me to identify the outlets that still needed attention. It even made it easier to communicate with the electrician. The kit includes a transmitter and receiver. Simply plug the transmitter into an outlet, then use the receiver at your breaker panel. When you found the correct breaker, you'll get both audible and visual indications, making the process straightforward. Another feature I really like is the built-in GFCI outlet tester. It lets you verify outlet wiring and test GFCI protection without needing a separate tool. It also comes with useful accessories, including a light socket adapter for lighting circuits, a 3-prong to 2-prong grounding adapter, and Alligator clips for testing bare wires. Everything stores neatly in the included carrying case. One thing that gave me extra confidence was seeing my electrician using Klein tools as well. That reinforced my decision to buy this kit. My home is quite old, so being able to verify the wiring and identify circuits correctly gives me real peace of mind. If you're doing home maintenance, labeling your breaker panel, or troubleshooting electrical outlets, this kit is a practical and reliable tool to have.